right, cutie pies, well, welcome back, and we're going to start at this next part. So the first part we did together, and we're still looking at missing add-ins. So thinking of the missing add-ins, and this right here, it says, I'm going to read you the story, because I always have the story problems at the top. And when you are doing this by yourself, because there's going to be some problems that you're going to have to, I think they're on the back, you're probably going to need an adult to read it to you. So I do suggest that you ask an adult maybe to work with you on this part, the problem set. I don't want your adults to give you the answers, but they can definitely read you the story if you cannot do it by yourself. All right, we're going to do the first one together. So right here. It says, Jill was given a total of 5 flowers. So I know that 5 is going to be my whole, right? Total of 5 flowers for her birthday. Draw more flowers in the vase to show Jill's birthday flowers. Okay, so here's what I want you to do. We know that Jill got 5 flowers. That's the part that we do know. So I want you to put 5. See this right here? This is my whole, and I'm always going to go back to this number bond. So here's my whole, right? Okay. I'm going to look over here, and this is the picture of Jill's flowers that they want us to look at. How many flowers does Jill have? So we know she ended up with 5, but in her vase, she started with 1, 2, 3. So 3 is the part I do know. So I don't know what this is. So 3 plus what is going to equal 5? Well, I'm going to do a picture strategy. So I know that I have to end up with 5, and she has 3. So I'm going to draw, this would be 4 if I did this. I'm going to draw this one. And then this one would be 5. So how many more did I draw? I drew 2 more. All right, now, this is a little bit trickier. So looking over here at the number sentence, here it says blank equals blank plus blank. So you have to think about this. Blank plus blank, where have we seen that before? Look at your number bond. Your 2 parts, part plus part. So blank equals blank plus blank. So I know 3 plus 2 is right here. These are my parts. 3 plus 2. And then 5 is my whole. So I'm going to put that there. So 5 equals 3 plus blank. So sometimes look at this equal sign right here. And the equal sign is telling us the whole is either going to come before or it's going to come after. If you see these things right here together, so either blank plus blank or blank minus blank, as we get into this, know that these are always your parts. Now, the last question says, how many flowers did you have to draw? And think about this. How many did Mrs. B draw? 2. So you're going to write that number right there. All right, I'm going to do one more with you, and then I'm going to have you do problems 3 and 4 on the back with an adult at home, because you'll probably need them to read that to you. Here we go. All right. It says, Kate and Nana were baking cookies. They made 2 heart cookies. Oh, look it. They have their 2 heart cookies. And then made some square cookies. I don't see any square ones. So I do know they had 2 hearts, but I don't see the squares. They made 8 cookies all together. Oh, there's my whole. All together. I got 8 cookies. That's my whole. How many square cookies did they make? Draw and count on to show the story. So they want me to count on to this. Okay, so she made 2 hearts, but I know she doesn't have more than 8 cookies, and the other ones were square cookies. So I'm going to say, so this is 2, I'm going to count on 3, and I'm going to stop once I get to 8. So I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let me count to make sure I have 8 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I have 8 cookies. Okay, so I started with the 2 hearts. That's right here. How many square ones did I draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Now they want me to transfer this into the number bond. So my whole is the number 8. So I'm going to write this right here. And then these are my parts, blank plus blank, because I could just put like a little plus sign right here if I wanted to. So I have 2 plus 6. Okay. I do want you guys to do 3 and 4 by yourselves, and then snap a picture of it when you're done. Bye, guys.